days till Christmas. It is Thursday, the 23rd of December. Let's open the Los Angeles Dodgers advent calendar. The penultimate time. Oh, this is probably the best thing I've got in this series of things. I've got a Winnie the Pooh now to go with Rabbit and Piglet and Eeyore. It's got little discount stands on a little figurine there. That's not too bad, considering all the other stuff I've got here. Maybe the final day tomorrow I'll get some little tatty keyring with the LA Dodgers logo on. And maybe I won't. Probably not. But I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the vibe.